Okay, let's continue making textures for our frost text. So what we're going to do here is we're going to click on our frost copy that we've made here. Double click on it like this. Let's go back into our textures here. Let's actually change this one. Let's take this one over to should be one satin right here. Alright. We're going to take our scale. We're going to take our scale on this way up. Just kind of eyeing it. So we can give like a little bit of wrinkle in there like so. Let's have a look at it. There we go. That's kind of giving it. Let's take it down just a little. Not down too much. Like so. Bring my depth up a little bit. There we go. Now we're getting a little bit of crack into our ice here. I like that, so I'm going to go ahead and hit OK, like so. And now what I'm going to do is we're going to need another layer for this. It's going to have quite a few layers here. So I'm actually going to add another layer. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and grab my frost copy layer, bring it down once again. Let's go ahead and rename this one as topping, like so. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're just going to go ahead and disable all these layer effects. So what we're going to do is we're going to come up here, disable layer effects. There they go. They're all gone. Now we're going to take our fill opacity on this layer. We're just going to go ahead and bring it all the way up to 100%. There we go. And let's go ahead and change the color of this white. So to do that, what I'm going to do is just I'm going to hit, let's select it, Command, and select like so. And then I'm going to hold my Command key down and hit Command delete. It's not allowing me to do that. That's alright. That's alright. We'll fill this thing white and then we'll pick this up in the next part.